एल्टीट्यूड ये हमने देख लिया, वो है क्या? जी एच, जी एट हाइट एट एल्टीट्यूड एच इज इक्वल टू जी एस ब्रैकेट 1 माइनस 2h बाय आर। ये आपको दिमाग में मेमोराइज करके रखना है,
याद हो गया।
ठीक है। और इससे इन्फ्लुएंस ये निकला था कि मैक्सिमम एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी जो होगा वो एट द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ होगा। एज वी विल इंक्रीज द एल्टीट्यूड, the value of g will decrease. With the increase in height, g will decrease. Clear? तो कहाँ से मिला था हमें? वो मिला था g at height h is equal to gs bracket 1 minus 2h by r. अभी हमने पिछले क्लास में इंट्रोड्यूस किया था कि variation of g, how does the variation of g depends on the depth of earth. Now we will go. Earlier we have gone from the surface of earth to height h. Now we will go from the surface of earth inside the earth. In the first case, the distance between object and earth increases. That is, it becomes r plus h. Here it will, if that depth is denoted by d, here the new distance will become re minus d. Clear? Now we will try to, this is our earth. So this is d. Clear? From center to this point, this is re. So this will become re minus, clear? Re minus d. Now refer to the figure of NCERT, figure 8.7 in new or earlier book. In new book it would be 7.7. 8.7. New book located at depth d. Located at depth d. Below the surface of earth. Earlier we were up the surface of the earth. It is below the surface of the earth of mass me. So me is mass of total earth, whole earth. And re is the radius of earth. So, and this is depth d, so this will become re minus d. The textbook says, or the